Hello everyone, today we want to talk about some custom hooks that you can implement in your React projects, and they're really useful. So let's get started. So on my right, this is my Predators.net React Native mobile project that is currently being run on a Android emulator. On my left, this useDebouncedValue hook is a hook that I specifically want to talk about in this video. So first, let's take a look. So what does it do? Use debounced value hook, debounces value changes. This can be useful in case you want to perform a heavy operation based on React state. For example, send search request, which I will show you later. Unlike use debounced state is this hook right here. Please take a deep look on that as well, if you feel like it. It is designed to work with control components. Control components basically it just means the value fields are being controlled by state. Now let's try this here. So what happens is if I type hello, the bounce value won't show up instantly, right? The value would start showing up immediately after I start typing. It changes on each character that I type or I delete. Okay, but the bounce value will wait until I finish my actions, basically. Okay, so this is just an example. Of course, the code itself, you can download Manti hooks, or what I like to do is simply just go to their source code and just download their source code and just copy paste it right into a project. Simple as that, and it's ready to use. Okay, here, right now, what I want to do is I want to show you a real world use case so we can see it in action, how handy it is. On my right, this is the Android emulator React Native project that I mentioned before. And let's go to the, oopsies, that's not where we want to go. Want to go to the search bar, and then we start trying to search users. It's going to be a little laggy, but that's just the nature of emulator apps. So please bear with me on this one. And let's try to search the user Mia. You see there's a little bit delay. It will finish searching until I stopped typing. But if I were to delete everything, then try M. So it's gonna wait a little bit before the search is done. So then yeah, there's a list of users, but then you will wait a little bit before Mia shows up after I type everything, of course. Let's try this. So it's gonna wait a little bit before this user shows up. If I do this, then it's gonna wait a little bit. If I do that, wait a little bit, and then the user shows up. So that's good. This is very handy. I can show you the code itself right here. Basically, what I did is I control the field with use query. Use state and store it in use query. And what we really have to do is we just use this use debounced value hook, and then we put search query state inside of here, and then we have half of a second, 500 millisecond, half a second. Well, we can change that anytime. Of course, we want to do it a little faster. We do 300. I mean, that's really depend on you. And then here, this is the debounce value that we would use. So here, as you can see, we just pass the debounce value instead of the search query value, and then we call use search posts to get the data. Yeah, that's really it. Uh, there's some other hooks, very handy, that I frequently use is useUpdate, and I might talk about it in a future video. I don't know, but this is it for now. Thank you guys for watching. You have a good one.